Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Virilization is completely different from hirsutism. Hirsutism. Most common cause of hirsutism is polycystic ovarian disease. Most common cause of rapid onset hirsutism is androgen secreting ovarian tumor. Virilization. In virilization, there is the levels of androgen will be more than 200 or there is rapid increase of androgen is seen. Features of virilization include clitoromegaly, male pattern baldness, increased muscle mass, deepening of voice is seen in virilization. Virilization is seen in androgen secreting tumors of the ovary, adrenal tumor, and classical congenital adrenal hyperplasia. Prader score more than or equal to 5 indicates virilization.
Prader score more than or equal to 5 indicates virilization. Virilization is seen in androgen secreting ovarian tumor, testicular tumor, congenital adrenal hyperplasia.
thank you and thank you for watching.